Alright, let's talk about saving some time and money. Every time you go to the grocery store, buy a few onions and celery. It's nice when they don't spoil in your refrigerator while you're waiting to make that Cajun or French cuisine. What we like to do is very simple. We like to actually chop ours into the appropriate sized pieces. You can see my wife's doing it here. Once we have them chopped and diced and sliced, we chop all of ours all at once. Some restaurants do this and they call it prep. But you can do it at home too. We like to use freezer bags with simple zipper tops. Label them with a Sharpie what they are. Not that you can't tell. But in the end, what you end up with is some very large gallon Ziploc bags of chopped onion, bell pepper, celery, and carrots. Now, all you need to do is put those frozen veggies in your freezer. Take them out next time you're preparing your favorite dish, and you will have saved a lot of time and money. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you again. Have a good day. Saving Big 101.